Hello, Namaste, Adab. I am Vaishalee Jolly and today I am here at Eco Green Hospitality bringing to you a recipe of honey chili broccoli. So let's start. First of all, we're going to put the burner on and I have here in my pan some water. So the first step is that we're going to boil the water with a little bit of salt and we're going to blanch the broccoli in it. So very often it happens that people can't think of an interesting starter or an appetizer when people are coming home. And this is the perfect recipe because vegetarians are often tired of eating potatoes and paneer. Jahan jao, aloo, paneer mil jata hai vegetarians ke liye. So I'm bringing to you a very interesting recipe which both youngsters and seniors, everyone enjoys it. So as you can see, the water is just beginning to boil and at this stage, we are going to add our broccoli in it. So I've made some large chunks of broccoli. Don't cut it too small. Slowly add all the broccoli in the water. It's very healthy to have broccoli. It's a cruciferous vegetable and full of nutrients. So try and incorporate it in your diet as and when you can. Just make sure all the broccoli is dipped in the hot water. So it's already 2 to 3 minutes since it's boiling. We'll turn the burner off now. And we'll sieve the broccoli. So we'll leave this to strain for 5 minutes and meanwhile we'll prep the next step. So the next step is that we are going to dip the broccoli in a batter and fry it. You can either fry it in a kadai or a pan with oil. Today I'm going to use a fryer. So let's start. We'll take some all-purpose flour or maida. So we need about half a cup, which is approximately 4 to 5 heaped tablespoons, and same quantity of corn flour. So another half cup of corn flour. We add little bit of salt in this, some black pepper, and about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We're going to slowly add water and make a thick batter out of this. Mix it thoroughly so that no lumps are formed. You can use a whisk. We'll now dip the broccoli in the batter and fry it. So the broccoli is crisp and looking beautiful golden. This is the time to take it out. The broccoli looks crisp and golden. We'll now make a delicious sauce for this. What we are going to do is first put the burner on, add some oil, add some chopped garlic, some onions, green capsicum, red capsicum, some ketchup, some chili sauce, give it a mix. Now we add some soy sauce, Mix it all well, and we are now going to add the Nature's Nectar organic honey. This has been sourced from the forests of Sundarbans. This honey has been NMR tested and certified organic. So we'll use this honey in this recipe. Honey has multiple benefits and we must use it in our diet, in our food. Give it a nice mix again. Now we'll add the fried broccoli into this sauce. We need to add very little salt because the sauces already have salt in it. Nicely coat the broccoli. It's giving a lovely aroma. It's looking great. The broccoli is ready. Let's plate up. The broccoli is ready. Let's garnish it with some sesame seeds and spring onions. Honey chili broccoli is ready. Do try out the recipe.